Stop carrying around a giant tablet that feels like a heavy laptop. The era of oversized, awkward iPads is finally coming to an end. For years, we've been told that bigger is better, but real life tells a different story. Big tablets are heavy. They are uncomfortable to hold for more than 10 minutes. They usually end up stuck on a desk with a keyboard, which completely defeats the point of having a tablet in the first place. Apple has finally realized what we've been feeling. The iPad mini has been the forgotten child of the lineup for way too long. It lived in the shadows with old displays and slow processors. But that is all about to change in a massive way. The leaks for the iPad mini 8 are everywhere, and they point to something shocking. Apple is no longer holding back. This isn't just a small refresh or a boring spec bump. This is a total transformation. It is the iPad Pro Mini we have been dreaming about for a decade. The biggest upgrade is the one we have been begging for. If you have used the current iPad mini, you know about jelly scrolling. It looks cheap and distracting. Apple is reportedly fixing this forever by switching to an OLED panel. This changes everything. On an OLED screen, every single pixel makes its own light. This means you get true blacks and insane contrast. Colors actually look alive instead of washed out. Movies and photos will look better than ever. Some leaks even suggest this screen will be thinner and brighter than the one on the latest iPhone. This upgrade turns a basic device into a premium, pocket-sized cinema. Whether you're editing high-resolution photos or watching Netflix, this will likely be the best display in its class. It might even look better than your expensive laptop screen. The design changes are where things get a bit crazy. Apple is rumored to be removing traditional speaker holes entirely. You might wonder how you'll hear anything. The answer is vibration-based audio. The entire frame of the device vibrates to produce sound. This is futuristic tech we usually only see in concept cars. By removing those holes, the iPad mini 8 becomes much more resistant to water and dust. You can take it to the beach or use it by the pool without a single worry. It also allows Apple to shrink the bezels even more. This creates a device that is almost entirely screen. It will feel like holding a thin slab of glass from the future. It is clean, minimal, and incredibly refined. Inside this tiny body, the power is actually a little scary. The iPad mini 8 is expected to feature the A19 Pro chip. This chip is built on a 2-nanometer process, which means insane speed and efficiency. To put that in perspective, this tiny tablet will be faster than many desktop computers from just a few years ago. Apple is also jumping to 12 gigabytes of RAM. This is a huge deal. This extra memory is there to power Apple Intelligence and new AI features. With 12 gigabytes of RAM, this thing becomes a multitasking monster. You can edit 4K video while streaming music and switching between heavy apps without any lag. For gamers, this is a dream. You'll be able to play console-level games like Resident Evil or Assassin's Creed flawlessly. With Wi-Fi 7 support, your downloads will be finished before you even realize they started. Even the cameras are getting a massive boost. Usually, tablet cameras are an afterthought, but the iPad mini 8 is expected to use a 48-megapixel sensor. This makes it a real tool for creators. You can shoot high-quality video, edit it on the spot, and upload it to YouTube in minutes. The front camera is also moving to the landscape edge. This makes video calls feel natural when you hold the tablet horizontally. All of these features prove that Apple is finally treating the Mini like a professional tool. It is no longer a toy for kids. It is a stealth powerhouse for people who need performance without the bulk. In my opinion, this is the most exciting Apple product in years. We're tired of carrying around giant slabs of metal. We want something powerful that actually fits into our real lives. The iPad mini 8 offers the best display, top-tier performance, and a size you can actually use anywhere. It is the ultimate go-anywhere device. If the rumor price of $499 holds true, it will be the best value in the entire tech world. It delivers pro-level power for half the price. This is the tablet that will redefine the industry. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the future of tech. Since you asked for a script outline first to help guide the process, here is the structural breakdown I use for this viral style script. Script outline. the iPad Mini 8 revolution. The hook, challenging the bigger is better tablet myth and introducing the Pro Mini concept. The display breakthrough, transition from LCD to OLED, fixing jelly scrolling and achieving better than iPhone brightness. Futuristic design, the removal of speaker holes, vibration-based audio tech, and a slab of glass aesthetic. The internal powerhouse, the A19 Pro 2nm chip, 12GB RAM for AI, and why it beats most desktops. Professional creativity, the 48MP camera upgrade and a landscape selfie camera shift. Market impact and conclusion. Launch timing 2026, the aggressive $499 price point, and my final verdict on why this is the stealth powerhouse.